everyone, it's Hanny. So a bit in, yeah. I'm going to make, which is it, number 6 from Margarete Miller's a collage challenge. Still a mouthful. And sorry, I have something in my mouth. Well, the prompts are something ornate. Well, I had to Google that, but well, I have a few of these thingies. These are die cuts. I have this, well, I draw that with my Silhouette Cameo with a pen. Don't know if I'm going to use that, but that's the ornaments I have, and I have a few more left. A piece of a dictionary page. Well, I have 2 pages. I have this one and I have this one, and this one is in English, and there is dictionary on it, and in this one is a Dutch, and the Dutch word for dictionary is woordenboek, so that's woordenboek over there. So I have that. Something that turns or spins. Well, I have a few options. I have those 2 ladies on the bike, an old-fashioned bike. The wheels, well, they spin. I have a few more, these ones, and here is still something. And I have windmills, like that. And I have another one somewhere. Well, there is another one. So I have windmills and bicycles. Something that starts with the letter C. Well, I have some Chinese text. And Chinese, well, that starts with a C. And I found the word cat. Starts with a C too, and I like the word that was meow. I don't know if I pronounce it well, but I thought that was nice. And the cat also here. A form or portion of it, I think. Blank or filled. Well, I have a blank. It's a receipt. Kwitantie. I have more. I have what do I have? A Quittung and some phone notes, something like that. Well, so I have that. And then the bonus is something you see through the window. Well, I couldn't find much. I only could find this thing. That's a window, and you can see through it. And you see a meadow, whatever that is. But I found a lot of things in black and white. So I thought, well, maybe I should do something only in black and white. And then the window, well, I could do that, but then I found this. It's not a window, but I can make one of it. And oh yeah, and I have a white tag this time. So I think I'm going for black and white and not going to use that one. And it's only the bonus, so I don't have to. But I like this, and maybe I will cut some a piece out and put something behind it in black and white. I'm not sure yet, but I think I do this on the tag. So I think I'm going to use those things, and I start with gluing on, I think I'm starting with this, the form. I will glue that on. I like these challenges very much, but it takes a lot of time to search for things, and well, I'm not always, I do not always like that, and that is because I am too precise, I think. I'm not sure if that's the reason, but well, I looked hours, really I looked hours for that window, and I wanted to find a black and white window, but I couldn't find it. Oh, careful, honey. Now I will glue the dictionary page. Oh yeah, and I decided to do everything in squares or in rectangles. No tearing. So I'm going to glue that on. I want to use the dictionary, this piece. More this way. So that's it. The Chinese cat. Mao. Like that. You see I have already been busy with this page. Yeah. So now we'll cut this down. Because I wanted to see if I could do everything in black and white. So, oops. So this is my background with the three prompts. And the cat. Oh yeah, I did something wrong, I guess. Well, I could use this for it. I thought I will make a pocket of that, but well, I glued it on already. So I have to glue the cat and the ladies, and I want to dictionary. Could I do it over there? Yes, I could. Well, I think I'm going to glue the ladies over here because it's a bit how do we call that? Beschadigd. Well, I make a pocket of the ladies on their bicycles or on their three-wheeler. Something like that. And the cat, I want to glue the cat on somewhere. Yeah. Oh, it's a cat with, there's a doggy and there are two mouse. And the cat, well, says meow, I think. It looks almost the same. Well, I will glue it on somewhere. Oh yeah, the ornament, I have to do the ornament. Well, over here, something like that. I have to glue an ornament, and which one? No. Maybe this little one, just over there or here. Well, you can't see it here, so I think I'm going to glue it over there. It's not quite white, but, well, more or less. So we'll glue that on like that. Oh yeah, this is a pocket. The tag is going to fit in there like that. Well, I think it's a bit dull, but oh. What do I have? I have something ornate. That's this little guy here. A piece of dictionary page, something that turns or spins, the wheels. Something that starts with the letter C, the Chinese cat, Mao. A form or portion, blank or filled. Well, here's the form. And the bone is something you see through a window. Well, I don't have that one, but I think I'm going to glue this on front of the tag. And you don't see through it. It's not really a window. Well, maybe I could do this one on here, but no, it doesn't fit. No, I do this, and I don't know if I glue something behind it or not, because you can't see through it now. No, you can't. No. Yeah, I have to look for something. One moment. I did cut this out with a knife, and I have this butterfly. Well, and you can see butterflies through the window if you look outside. So I think I'm going to glue this behind. So I will glue this on. like so. And now the little butterfly. Behind it. Something like that. And now I'm gluing it on the book page. I'm not in frame, I know. So I put glue on it and I just glue it on like that. It's not quite straight, but hey, it never is with me. So here's the tag. I will write the prompts down. Maybe I could use a piece of lace, little piece of lace. If I can find a piece of white, little piece. Oh. Here I have a piece. I could use a piece of that. Just like this. My scissors, and they are gone, of course. Where are my scissors? I have a little one here, so. And that's it. Well, it's black and white. I have everything. I think, yes, I have. Just check once. Something ornate. Piece of dictionary page. Something turns or spins. This one. Something that starts with the letter C. A form or portion of blank or filled form. And the bonus, something you see through the window. Well, that's it. So, a black and white one. That's it. Simple. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.